Hi, welcome to Hard Read Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy A05s, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So, on the third place in my top is Niagara launcher. Niagara is a really minimalistic launcher. Here on the home screen you have only your favorite apps, and on the right panel you have the main menu, and using this main menu you can really fast find applications you need. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher. Using the Smart Launcher you can easily find applications because here you have groups, and applications are grouping by groups automatically. Of course you can add new groups, you can create new groups, but this is the reason why I can't give the first place for this launcher, because you need to pay for these features. For the future of adding new groups, for example, or to use leave wallpapers. But on the first place, in my case, it's Microsoft Launcher. Microsoft Launcher is a really great launcher because it gives you unreal functionality, but on Samsung devices it works better because it uses normal Samsung One UI appearance, because Samsung collaborating with the Microsoft, and because of this we have a really great appearance and Microsoft Launcher functionality. For example, in the main menu we have alphabetical line, voice search, Bing search, hidden app future, and for example we can set up the gestures in the launcher settings, and for example you can open any application using the gestures. You can set up swipe with 2 fingers up, 2 fingers down, 3 fingers up, 3 fingers down, 2 fingers double tap, 2 fingers tap, 2 fingers triple tap, or 1 finger double tap. I have installed to open some calculator, for example. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.